Have you heard the warning that Earth might become uninhabitable within 50 years? Global warming and the climate crisis are no longer distant threats. They are our current reality. I am Sung-Woo Kim, with a doctorate from King*s London. My expertise lies in redox chemistry, the fundamental reduction and oxidation processes underlying virtually all chemical reactions, which forms the foundation of quantum redox chemistry. To tackle this crisis directly, we are introducing a revolutionary foundational technology. The cover of this project is driving a rapid transition toward carbon neutrality by fundamentally reducing fossil fuel consumption. Our technology differs from conventional heat pumps that continuously consume large amounts of electricity. Operating similarly to a vacuum-insulated container, this innovative system maximizes the insulation structure within the air layer of thermal insulation, air sheets, bubble wrap, and integrates a specialized quantum plasmonic coating. In particular, this central specialized coating material was developed based on the advanced material synthesis and interface control technologies of Representative Eun-Gil Shin, an outstanding authority in organic and inorganic chemistry. Through Representative Shin's exceptional technical expertise, the coating achieves superior adhesion, bonding strongly even to plastic film surfaces, along with robust surface durability and self-healing properties that automatically repair tears and punctures. This functional coating layer retains temperature inside the air layer for the extended periods, using only minimal heat or cooling input. Consequently, it offers significantly lower installation cost compared to traditional heat pumps, while virtually eliminating energy consumption to drastically reduce heating and cooling costs by over 90%. Furthermore, seamlessly integrating core fire safety and disaster prevention technologies deliver both extraordinary insulation performance and uncompromised safety. We will demonstrate this remarkable insulation mechanism and self-healing performance directly on screen in upcoming videos. Please subscribe, press the like button, and follow our progress as we deploy this technology to combat the global climate crisis. Thank you very much.